is integrated gym management system. Wal Mustafa. My GitHub account is Professor9112. My city is Islamabad. My country is Pakistan. And the date that I'm recording page. Basically, it's a gym website. So We Fit Club is a name that I thought might be of the gym. So if a person has not logged in and he wants to register, so he can go on the register. For example, we choose the name David. Password we could do 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's choose easy password. Let's register. When we go to the register, we see this first page that about the gym, and here is the option to meet our team option. When I click on it, it basically sends me to the our team page. Me log out because it's the first time. Now when I log in with David and password 1 2 3 4 5 6, now when I log in I won't see welcome guest but welcome David. Shop. Under the shop there are some products that I have added as a sample. More products can be added. On search I will see the treadmill and like say like dumbbell. I see the dumbbell. Now when we go to the view details, we see the name. So this is our add to our cart page. We can also update like the quantity, and now it has updated the price. Or if you want to remove, we can also remove it. So now our card is empty. Okay, one I think would be fine. We'll sample. Now let's proceed to checkout. As all e-commerce website contain this important page. Now, since I don't have my card that I can pay with, I will pay with. There is an option to pay with card, but now I will go with pay with account balance. When I click on pay with account balance, it will redirect me to the order confirmation page. You can see that order has been confirmed, and to recheck whether we have bought it or not, here I have added a page of transactions history. Here we can see the dumps. In the membership page, there are several memberships of the gym that we can buy. By clicking on it buy now, it will be bought. Out, go to the admin login. Let's admin put its password. And now this is the first thing that ad users and how many revenue is earned by the admin. Now in here we have David. Since I have purchased the membership, so it's switched to VIP. This person has not everything we can get, but that's gonna take a lot of time. That's for this I'm gonna just change the password. Okay, mission read successfully. Okay, let's have a quick check. Okay, now David 1 2 3 4 5. It should work great according to me. Let's see. Okay, it works great. Changing then from the user and its data. It prompts us, are you sure you want to delete this? Yes, we are. Now it has been deleted. Now a quick check.